Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add location on TikTok after posting. So let's get right into it. Open the TikTok app and here you have to hit on profile. Once you open your account, then here you have to select the post where you want to add location. I'm selecting the first one. Once you've opened your post, then here you have to hit on this three dotted button. Scroll left and hit on edit post. Now here you can add your location by tapping this location option. Just simply tap on it and search the location. Hit on that location and now you have to hit on save. And that's it guys. So this is how to add a location on TikTok after posting. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.